Alright, so yesterday I took a drive out to a reservoir near Chonan, South Korea. Wanted to fly my Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic Mini. After looking at the footage, I thought this might actually make a good comparison video. Now with the Mavic Mini, I captured this in 1080p 30, whereas with my Mavic 2 Pro, I captured it in 4K and then I rendered it in 1080p. So nothing scientific. You can look at the video and kind of make your own judgment as to the quality. I think the Mavic Mini does a great job at capturing video, especially for that little frame and the low price point. It does not have the dynamic range of the Mavic 2 Pro. Obviously, the M2P has the 1-inch sensor, and I think it's been configured a lot better than the Mavic Mini. But nonetheless, the Mavic Mini actually does a really good job. So take a look and you can make your own decision as to the quality. It was a cloudy day, pretty bleak. Temperature was about 17 degrees Fahrenheit, which is probably about 10 below centigrade. But they both flew fantastic, no problems whatsoever. Really great opportunity to fly. So the cameras on both drones were set to fully automatic. I didn't touch any settings. The EV was set at 0, no compensation. The idea was to get just a good test of the cameras straight out of the box, and this is the result. And you can make up your own mind as to the quality of the video.